Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Henry Ford. The quantum realm holds a secret power, a potential for shaping reality that lies dormant within each of us. Quantum physics reveals that our thoughts, beliefs, and actions can directly influence the world around us, opening the door to what we call quantum events. These are powerful shifts in our reality, like sudden opportunities, unexpected abundance, or profound healing, that occur when our intentions align with the limitless possibilities of the universe. Today, we're going to explore a simple 17-minute method that can unlock this potential within you. No prior knowledge or special skills are required, just an open mind and a willingness to explore the extraordinary. In this short time, you'll learn how to harness quantum events and create the life you truly desire. So get ready to step into a world of infinite possibilities, because your journey to a new reality starts now. Now let's look into the fascinating world of quantum physics, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple and inspiring. Think of the universe as a vast ocean of possibilities filled with tiny particles that make up everything around us. These particles, like miniature building blocks, are constantly moving and interacting in ways that seem almost magical. One of the most mind-blowing discoveries of quantum physics is that these particles don't exist in a fixed state until we observe them. It's like they're dancing in a cosmic ballroom, twirling and swirling in an infinite array of possibilities until our focused attention collapses them into a single reality. This is what we call the observer effect. Imagine you're holding a camera and focusing it on a specific scene. Before you press the shutter button, that scene exists in a state of potential, with countless ways it could unfold. But the moment you take the picture, you capture one specific moment in time, one particular arrangement of light and shadow. In a similar way, our consciousness acts like a camera, focusing our attention on certain aspects of reality and bringing them into existence. This means that we have a far greater influence on our lives than we might realize. Our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions are like powerful magnets, attracting the experiences and circumstances that match our inner world. If we focus on lack and limitation, we're more likely to experience those things. But if we choose to focus on abundance, joy, and love, we open ourselves up to a whole new realm of possibilities. Think of your mind as a garden. The thoughts you plant in your mind will eventually grow and bear fruit. If you plant seeds of fear, doubt, and negativity, you'll harvest a crop of challenges and setbacks. But if you nurture seeds of hope, optimism, and gratitude, your life will blossom with beauty and abundance. Quantum physics teaches us that we're not just passive observers in the world, but active creators of our own reality. We have the power to choose our thoughts, to shift our beliefs, and to set intentions that align with our deepest desires. By understanding the principles of quantum physics, we can tap into this power and create a life that is truly extraordinary. Have you ever noticed how your mood or attitude can affect the way you perceive the world around you? When you're feeling positive and upbeat, everything seems brighter and more joyful. But when you're feeling down or discouraged, the world can seem dull and dreary. This is because our consciousness acts like a filter, coloring our perception of reality based on our inner state. Quantum physics suggests that this is not just a subjective experience, but an objective reality. Our thoughts and feelings actually influence the behavior of the tiny particles that make up the world around us. When we're feeling joyful and optimistic, we emit a higher frequency of energy that attracts positive experiences and opportunities. But when we're feeling negative and fearful, we emit a lower frequency of energy that attracts challenges and setbacks. This is why it's so important to cultivate a positive mindset and to focus on the things that we want to create in our lives. By intentionally choosing our thoughts and emotions, we can shape our reality in a way that is aligned with our highest good. Think of your mind as a powerful radio transmitter sending out signals into the universe. The quality of your signal will determine the kind of responses you receive. If you're broadcasting a signal of fear and negativity, you're likely to attract more of the same. But if you're broadcasting a signal of love, joy, and abundance, you'll open yourself up to a whole new world of possibilities. So, how do we change our signal? It starts with awareness. By paying attention to our thoughts and emotions, we can begin to identify the patterns that are holding us back. Once we become aware of these patterns, we can start to challenge them and replace them with more positive and empowering beliefs. This is where practices like meditation, mindfulness, and visualization can be incredibly helpful. These practices allow us to quiet our minds, connect with our inner wisdom, and create a clear vision for the life we want to create. By practicing these techniques regularly, we can reprogram our subconscious mind and start to attract the experiences and circumstances that we desire. Keep in mind that the power to shape your reality lies within you. By understanding the principles of quantum physics and applying them to your life, you can unlock your full potential and create a life that is truly extraordinary. We find even more startling realities as we explore the quantum realm. You may not have realized that little particles can exist in several locations at once. This phenomenon, known as superposition, contradicts what we typically think about reality. It resembles a single raindrop that is in multiple places at once until it touches the ground. But what does this mean for us? It means that we too are made up of these particles, and that the same principles apply to us on a larger scale. Our thoughts and intentions have the power to influence the very fabric of reality, creating ripples in the quantum field that can manifest as tangible experiences in our lives. It's like throwing a pebble into a still pond. The ripples that spread out from the impact point are a direct result of the pebble's energy. In the same way, the energy of our thoughts and feelings can create ripples in the quantum field, attracting experiences and events that match our vibrational frequency. Another fascinating aspect of quantum physics is entanglement. This phenomenon occurs when two particles become interconnected, regardless of the distance between them. Once entangled, they share a mysterious bond, influencing each other's behavior instantaneously. This implies that we are all connected to each other and to the universe in a profound way. The implications of this are truly awe-inspiring. It means that our thoughts, feelings, and actions can have a ripple effect, not only on our own lives, but on the lives of others and on the world around us. By raising our own vibration, we can contribute to a higher collective consciousness and create a more harmonious and loving world. This is the power of quantum events. They are not simply random occurrences, but rather the result of our own conscious choices. By understanding and harnessing the principles of quantum physics, we can become empowered creators of our own destiny, shaping our reality in a way that is aligned with our highest good. Keep in mind that the world is not a static, predetermined place. It's a dynamic, ever-changing field of energy that responds to our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. By choosing to focus on the positive, by setting clear intentions, and by taking inspired action, we can create quantum leaps in our lives and manifest the reality of our dreams. So, what exactly are these quantum events we're talking about? In essence, they are those magical moments when life seems to align perfectly with your desires. They're those unexpected opportunities that fall into your lap, the sudden breakthroughs that solve a long-standing problem, or the serendipitous encounters that lead to lasting connections. These are the moments that leave you feeling like the universe is conspiring in your favor, guiding you towards your highest potential. Quantum events can manifest in every aspect of your life, from your relationships to your finances, your health, and your career. Have you ever wished for a loving partner only to have them seemingly appear out of nowhere? Or perhaps you've been struggling financially and suddenly a new source of income presents itself unexpectedly. These are not just coincidences, but rather the result of your focused intention and the power of quantum events. Imagine you're searching for your dream job. You've been sending out resumes, attending interviews, but nothing seems to be clicking. Then one day you bump into an old acquaintance who just happens to know someone hiring for a position that perfectly matches your skills and interests. A chance encounter or a quantum event? Or perhaps you've been feeling stuck in a rut, yearning for a change in your life. You start to visualize yourself living a more fulfilling life, filled with joy, purpose, and abundance. Suddenly, an unexpected opportunity arises, a chance to step outside your comfort zone and set on a new adventure. Coincidence? Or a quantum event guiding you towards your true path? These examples illustrate the power of intention and focused attention in creating quantum events. When you set a clear intention and focus your energy on what you truly desire, you begin to align yourself with the possibilities that exist in the quantum field. It's like tuning your radio to a specific frequency. When your internal frequency matches the frequency of your desires, those desires become a reality. Imagine you're holding a powerful magnet. The more you focus your attention on the magnet, the stronger its magnetic field becomes. In the same way, the more you focus your attention on your intentions, the more powerful they become, attracting the experiences and circumstances that match your desires. But it's not just about focusing on the outcome, it's also about cultivating a deep sense of trust and allowing the universe to work its magic. When you surrender to the flow of life, you open yourself up to receiving the gifts that the universe has in store for you. So, how can you start creating quantum events in your own life? It begins with setting clear intentions. What do you truly desire? What kind of life do you want to create? Take some time to reflect on your goals and dreams and write them down in detail. Next, focus your attention on these intentions. Visualize yourself already living the life you desire. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful it will be. Finally, take inspired action. Follow your intuition and take steps that move you closer to your goals. This could be anything from learning a new skill to connecting with new people, or simply making small changes in your daily routine. Keep in mind that quantum events are not about forcing things to happen. They are about aligning yourself with the natural flow of the universe and allowing your desires to manifest in their own time. By trusting the process and taking inspired action, you can open yourself up to a world of infinite possibilities. So let your imagination run wild, dream big, set your intentions, and watch as quantum events unfold in your life, bringing you closer to the reality you've always envisioned. Now that we've explored the incredible potential of quantum events, are you ready to learn how to create them in your own life? The 17-minute method is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you tap into this potential and manifest your desires. First, find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body and mind to relax. Next, bring your attention to your heart center. Feel the warmth and energy radiating from within. This is your connection to the limitless power of the universe. Now, visualize yourself already living the life you desire. See yourself surrounded by the people you love, doing the things you love, and experiencing the abundance you crave. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if it's already happening. As you visualize, repeat affirmations that align with your intentions. For example, if you desire financial abundance, you might say, "I am a money magnet. Wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly." Let these affirmations sink deep into your subconscious mind, planting the seeds of your desires. After a few minutes of visualization and affirmations, let go of any attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe is working in your favor even if you can't see the results yet. Surrender to the flow of life and allow yourself to be guided by your intuition. Next, take a few moments to express gratitude for all the blessings in your life. Feel the warmth of gratitude filling your heart and expanding outward. This simple act of gratitude will amplify the power of your intentions and attract even more abundance into your life. Finally, gently open your eyes and carry the energy of your visualization with you throughout the day. Be open to receiving signs and synchronicities from the universe, and take inspired action when the opportunities arise. This 17-minute practice is a powerful tool that can help you create quantum events and manifest your desires. By making it a regular part of your routine, you'll strengthen your connection to the quantum field and unlock your full potential. Make this practice a part of your daily routine, and watch as quantum events unfold in your life, bringing you closer to the reality you've always dreamed of. Keep in mind that the power to create your destiny lies within you. You are the architect of your life, the author of your story. So, start writing the next chapter today and create a future that is filled with joy, abundance, and limitless possibilities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring content. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who could benefit from this powerful practice. Together, we can create a world where everyone is empowered to manifest their dreams and live their best lives.